Welcome back. Today what I have for your viewing pleasure is this 42-inch Hampton Grayton 2 ceiling fan in white with white blades versatile to washed oak. Yes, this was the one in the living room of this house, and I have replaced it with my craft-made decorative. The next video you'll see that in is when I do an update video of the ceiling fans in this house. So, here it is, installed in my room for now. I'm going to be making three more ceiling fan videos today, and that will be the end of this, series, I guess you could call it. Not making a playlist for it, though. But yeah, flush mount piece of junk. This wasn't actually installed all that securely. It was only being held up with one screw, because the other screw wasn't even screwed into the stud. It actually broke at the head, the other screw, and it was just sitting in the drywall, doing nothing. So when I installed the Craftmate, I actually got a brand new screw out of my toolbox, and now that is way more secure. So I'm going to show off this fan. This is his flush mount. It makes me look very short, and I can't get up there. So I think the tag's on the other side, but washed oak. Bleached oak is the one that looks like birch. The one that's really light. It's balanced, okay. Let's start with the light. Start the fan on low. Even on my side, if it wobbles. Oh well. Nothing I can do. And yes, this thing is very noisy. More noisy than my view fan. Because you could actually hear a hum from this one. And an even worse cyclic buzz. Yeah, it sounds pretty bad. Turn the light back on. Kick it up to medium speed. It's actually getting a lot louder. Crazy. It's vibrating against the ceiling again. And take it up to high. There it is, shaking again. Yeah, this thing works. It sounds like it's not even moving in the air. It's moving a tiny bit. I'll give it that. Turn off the light. This is noisy. Yeah, off. Alright, I'll go ahead and flip the blades over to the washed elk side now.